All right, Math 8 students, so this exponents with integer bases sounds confusing, and if you don't watch this video, it is confusing. But if you watch it, I will try to simplify it. So, the very first one here, we have -1 in parentheses to the third power. The third power means I need this parenthesis -1 3 times. So I simply type this times this times this 3 times. -1 times -1 would become a +1, but then times another negative would go back to being -1. So that would be our answer right there. We're going to do another one with parentheses here. We have -10 to the second power. So again, we'll write this out as -10 times -10. -10 times -10 is +100. So you'll notice whenever this is to an odd power, like this one was, your answer will become a negative. Whenever it's to an even power, like this one was, then it becomes a positive. Now, don't stop watching now, because now comes the important part that you got to watch for. Notice that this one is not in parentheses. That means that this power of 5 only goes with the 1, not the negative. So if you were to write this one out longhand, I don't expect you will, but if you did, this is how you would write it out. You would have the negative, and then you would have 5 ones. Well, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, but then 1 times that negative we have is -1. It's not negative because the power was odd. It's negative because there's only one negative involved. Let's do another one, this time to an even power. Again, writing this out longhand, we have that one negative, and then we have 1 to the fourth power, or a total of 4 ones. So 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, and then times that negative, it is -1. So you'll notice that if you're to an odd power or an even power without the parentheses, your answer will still be the negative right there. That's all I got for you. Good luck. Bye-bye.